Welcome back. Today, we're going to be working through how to use the Realvolve CRM to send your data via a Realvolve workflow to the Workflow Secrets dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up your Realvolve CRM, grab your Workflow Secrets custom URL, and let's dive in together. Selecting a contact you wish to run the workflow on, clicking Start Workflow found on the Radars tab on the far right-hand side on the blue button, selecting the workflow you're wishing to run, clicking next through all of the steps, ensuring that the activity that you're seeking to run where the custom URL has been added is present and checked, hitting next through that step, selecting the date in which you would like to start it, and then selecting done. Once you've done this, the Workflow Secrets dashboards will be able to receive all of the data that you're sending over using that custom URL. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.